Last time, we have explained how to download and install FFmpeg. Today, we show you how to get started with FFmpeg. Starting with FFmpeg can be pretty intimidating, especially since per default, all commands are entered through a command line interface. But do not let this impress you. Getting started is actually quite simple, since FFmpeg always uses the same command structure. The basic structure of all FFmpeg commands look like this. FFmpeg -i input files, filters, output files. With this command, FFmpeg is prompted to read one or several input files. To apply, if needed, one or more filters on those files, and to output the result to a file. That is it. Some examples of commands. If you want to know more, this channel is entirely dedicated to FFmpeg and provide tons of easy tutorials that can assist you in your use of FFmpeg. Just give it a try.